Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 2nd year, welcome to our online classes of chemistry. Today I am going to deliver lecture about alkyl halides, which is chapter number 10 of chemistry part 2, Punjab textbook board Lahore. Please purchase this book so that it will be convenient for you to gain my lecture and clear all points. Okay, this is outlook of book. Today my topic is Grignard reagent. This is our today's topic, alkyl magnesium halide. This is general formula of alkyl Grignard reagent. R MgX. R stands for alkyl, Mg stands for magnesium, and X stands for halides. And this is main points of introduction. Grignard reagents are derivatives of alkyl halides. It was first prepared by Victor Grignard in 1900. These are important in organic sciences. Due to its greater importance and uses, Victor Grignard was awarded Nobel Prizes in chemistry. Now we will give its preparation. For preparation of any organic compound, there must be two reagents that will be mixed together and the new product is formed. So, for preparation of Grignard reagent, we will take alkyl halides and magnesium. We will mix it together in the presence of ether, and it will give product RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. So, we know that alkyl halide react with magnesium to give alkyl magnesium halide, which is Grignard reagent. This is the general reaction for preparation. Now we will explain it by giving example. Example is alkyl group is ethyl CH3CH2 and halogen is Br. Ethyl bromide, which is alkyl halide, example of alkyl halide, plus magnesium in the presence of ether, it will give ethyl magnesium bromide, which is required product and Grignard reagent. Another thing, you must clear in your mind that conditions are very necessary for every reaction. All the reactants, and for Grignard reagent preparation, conditions are all the reactants must be absolutely dry and pure, because Grignard reagent so reactive that they may react with moisture, and these reagents are very reactive that they will even react with moisture. Only 0.1% moisture it will react, and the side reaction will start. So for getting good results, conditions must be dry. Now we will go towards forward. Now we will discuss about reactions of Grignard reagents. Reactions. Number 1 reaction is with water. Reaction of Grignard reagent with water. We will take example of Grignard reagent, ethyl magnesium bromide. This is alkyl radical CH3CH2 ethyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent, and there we will show partial charges on adjacent atoms. This C bond Mg, carbon magnesium bond, carbon and magnesium bond. This is polar bond, and partial charges are created on these adjacent atoms due to the difference of electronegatividity. Due to greater electronegatividity, carbon gets partial negative charge and magnesium gets positive charge, and due to this polarity, this is the main reason of highly reactivity of Grignard reagent. And reaction with water. Partial charges on water will be shown as positive charge and OH negative charge due to electronegatividity difference. Oxygen gets negative charge and hydrogen gets positive charge. Now, when the Grignard reagent will react with water, then partial negative charge of carbon atom with partial negative charge will attach itself with partial positive charge hydrogen atom of water, and ethane is formed. Look at this, CH3 bond CH2. This is bond formation. CH2 will react with H and gets CH3. CH3 bond CH3 plus MgBr and OH will be attached. And this negative end of water will attach with positive MgOH and Br. This product is formed. Now we will take another example to explain it. This mechanism of, and now we'll take reaction with ammonia. Again, ethyl magnesium bromide will be taken plus NH3 ammonia, and hydrogen is partial positive hydrogen atom is shown separately, and bond NH2, H positive, and this CH2 negative end will attach with positive end, CH3 bond CH3 and plus MgBr and NH2. Now reaction with CO2, carbon dioxide. It is very important reaction, and its mechanism will clearly indicated. CH3 bond CH2 bond MgBr. This is ethyl magnesium bromide or plus C double bond O, C double bond O. This is partial negative and will attach with partial positive end of carbon dioxide, and this CH3 CH2 will be attached with carbon atom CH3 CH2 and will carbon atom C bond double bond O. This is C double bond O, and C bond O negative will be attached to positive end of magnesium Mg positive and Br. This is product, intermediate product. This will be further hydrolyzed with water, and positive end of hydrogen end of water will attach with oxygen O negative end के साथ, and C double bond O bond OH or plus as bond CH2 CH3 and other molecule will be shown as such in the intermediate product. And this is propanoic acid. This is C double bond OH. C double bond OH is carboxyl group, and the 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms propanoic acid or plus MgBrOH. Now we will take another example, reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. Ethyl magnesium bromide is taken plus formaldehyde group, and the negative end will attach with the positive end of carbon atom, and this is formed intermediate product CH3 CH2 bond C H and bond O negative Mg positive. Yeah, intermediate product, and will further hydrolyze positive and H positive end of water will attach with oxygen O negative end के साथ, and CH2 CH3 bond OH. This is OH. When OH is attached to a carbon atom, then it is alcohol, and now OH is attached with the primary carbon atom. What is primary carbon atom? That carbon atom which is directly attached with one other carbon atom or no other carbon. So this is primary alcohol plus MgBrOH. MgBr and is OH. OH is water. OH of water. Now another example is with reaction of Grignard reagent with acetaldehyde. Ethyl magnesium bromide plus acetaldehyde, C double bond O H aldehyde group, 1 CH3 attached, then it is acetaldehyde, react in the presence of ether. This is intermediate product, react with further hydrolyzed with water and gets another alcohol. In this case OH is attached with secondary carbon atom, that carbon atom which is directly attached with two other carbon atoms, secondary alcohol plus MgBrOH. Now last one is with acetone CH3 OCH3. Ethyl magnesium bromide reacts with acetone in the presence of ether, intermediate product as explained above. Now it further hydrolyzed, and this is formed an alcohol. This is tertiary alcohol because OH is attached with that carbon atom which is further attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Now this is tertiary alcohol, example of tertiary alcohol. And the main importance of these reactions, 3 reactions, is that in these 3 reactions alcohols are prepared. These reactions can be used for the preparation of alcohol. First reaction, formaldehyde is used for the preparation of primary alcohol, and the second reaction is used for the secondary alcohol, and third reaction is used for the preparation of tertiary alcohols. And that's the end of the lecture. Through the lecture I hope you will have got clear all the points. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.